Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change to aggressive on Acorns. This actually means to change portfolio. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your preferred web browser and navigate to acorns.com. Once you're on the website, click on the login button that is located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your registered email address and password, then click login to access your account. Due to certain restrictions, I'm unable to create an account on Acorns, but notwithstanding, I'm going to walk you through the processes to get the job done. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. In the dashboard, locate and click on the Invest option. I'll go over that again. Locate and click on the Invest option, which is situated in the main navigation menu. Once you click on Invest, it will take you to your Acorns Invest account overview. Within the Invest section, go ahead and click on Your Portfolio. Click on Your Portfolio to view your current portfolio details. In the Portfolio view, locate and click on the Risk option. Risk. Click on Risk and you'll see a range of portfolio options from conservative to aggressive. Swipe through the options and select aggressive to choose the aggressive portfolio. After selecting the aggressive portfolio, review the details and confirm your choice. Your portfolio will be updated to reflect the new risk level. I'd like you to note that Acorns will automatically adjust your investments to align with the aggressive portfolio. This process may take a few business days to complete. And that's it. You have successfully changed the Acorns Invest portfolio to the aggressive option using Acorns. Remember, adjusting your portfolio's risk level can impact your investment strategy, so make sure it aligns with your financial goals. Now, go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.